You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's learn how to pronounce correctly. Once and for all, the name of this French racing driver from Formula 1. If you want to learn the name of his team and more Formula 1 names, F1 names, stay tuned until the end of the video. We got many more French pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in France. Pierre Gasly, Gasly. So in English, you can simply say it as Pierre Gasly. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.